All right, here we are. We're going to do a little tutorial about printing booklets. So we've already created our design in InDesign. We've got this lovely little booklet set up with regards to our design. Should have a 4-page booklet. So single page on the front, you've got a double spread, and then your back page. Now, in order to do something productive with this, we need to first export this. So we're going to go to File, export this as a PDF. Make sure you know where you're saving it, where this is going to end up, so you know exactly where you're going to want this for the future. Obviously, you can't save it in the same place as me. I would recommend, though, that you use your F drive and put it into your F drive so you have it for yourself, no matter which computer you happen to be working on. It will give you the ability to go there. For today, we're just going to go to my downloads folder. It's easier for me to find. So InDesign assignment 5, I'm going to hit save. This is going to bring up my PDF settings. All these are the default. I'm just going to hit export. It gives me a little warning. I've got some extra text on one of the pages, but not a big deal. Hit OK. And we're going to hit OK again on that other warning. So what that does is it brings up for us the ability now to head out of here. And I'm going to go to my downloads folder. Now, if you have not set it up for your computer to have the default be Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader, you're going to want to right click and say open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you don't do that, it's going to be a little bit weird. It'll try to open in a web document browser, and that is not going to be good for yourself. So make sure that you open it up in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader, depending on which one you have installed on your computer. Once you've done that, you should get a view that looks something similar to this. So you're going to see your 4 pages all in line as single pages. Once we hit print, we're going to make sure that we have the Jasper Place Student 152 printer selected, and then we're going to head into the properties panel for that one. Inside the properties panel, we are going to want to make sure that our original paper size is 8.5 by 11. That's the size of each page. We're going to print this onto 11 by 17. So you're going to select Ledger 11 by 17. It's going to bring up a few other options and stuff. Right now, the big one we want to make sure is that it's set to auto for color, or even just set it to color. And then finishing, we want to print a booklet. So we're going to actually click on the booklet mode. We want this to be folded. If it was a multi-page booklet and you wanted it to be stapled, you could put a staple in it. In this case, it's just a single page folded over. So we just need those couple settings. I always go back to basic just to make sure nothing has changed. Everything's not, something's not weird there. If you've been printing other things using Adobe, just double check that this is plain paper. You're not going to want to like confuse the machine by using cardstock because it won't let you do the folding and everything else. Make sure that this is set to plain. Hit OK. It's going to bring us back to this main print window. You can double check some settings here. This should say flip on short edge should be selected. And other than that, it's pretty much as simple as hitting print. Once you're finished that, it should simply print out for you. You'll have to go to the printer, log into the printer, use your username, password, same as the computer. And then once you hit print, it will print it out for you and automatically fold it. It'll come out the bottom of the printer. So hopefully that helps understand how to print those cool little booklets. Have a good one.